Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready, start on the screen you need. First, decide inner versus outer display, then position the phone so icons are visible and stable. Use power plus volume down for a quick hardware capture, or enable palm swipe in settings for a gesture alternative. Both save immediately to gallery. Once done, tap the preview to edit or share. Make sure you press buttons simultaneously and hold briefly so the system registers the press. This prevents partial captures or accidental menus. Once you've captured a basic shot, explore advanced tools. Open the Edge panel and choose Smart Select to draw a shape or create a GIF. This is ideal for specific regions. For long pages, tap the toolbar's Scroll Capture icon to stitch multiple screens automatically. Repeat until you've reached the end. Make sure to use the built-in editor to crop, annotate, or blur sensitive info before saving. These options give precision and control, so your screenshot fits the context. Finish by locating your screenshot in Gallery under Screenshots, where you can organize or share it. Use the share icon to send directly or drag the image into a split-screen app for quick insertion. If your capture fails, make sure gestures aren't conflicting and that you're pressing power plus volume down simultaneously. Try disabling palm swipe or rebooting the phone to clear temporary issues. If the problem persists, check for software updates, because OS fixes often resolve capture reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.